Hi, this is Shailaja Mohan. On behalf of Samoha World, we welcome you to Harry's Kitchen. In Harry's Kitchen today, we are going to see how to prepare amla, that is gooseberry juice, as well as a delicious raita. As we all know, gooseberry is rich in vitamin C, and this gives you enormous strength and resistance power to the body to fight against the current pandemic, corona. Before watching our program, kindly don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get our video updates regularly. Please come, let's watch the program. Let us now see the benefits of gooseberry. It controls the blood sugar levels. It heals the rashes of the skin. It cures the ulcers of the stomach. Consuming gooseberry is healthy for the heart. It protects our body from infections. Though we are aware that the gooseberry contains enormous vitamin C, its importance and its power of resistance against the infections are realized only now during the corona pandemic situation. If it is elixir, there is a limit for consuming. Each and everyone are of the opinion that gooseberry, when consumed, develops cold and cough, resulting in the formation of phlegm. The power of resistance in gooseberry only makes the accumulated phlegm to come out. But eating of gooseberry in the night may result in the throat getting congested. Now, let's see how much quantity of vitamin C required per day according to the age. For children from 1 to 3 years of age, 15 milligrams. From 4 to 13 years of age, 25 to 45 milligrams. Adults, 90 milligrams. 100 grams of gooseberry contains 600 milligrams of vitamin C. If we press one gooseberry, it will get separated into 6 pieces. Per day, 2 pieces are sufficient for elders. If you are going to make juice and drink, half gooseberry is enough. Children can eat 1 piece each day, which is sufficient for them. Let us see how to prepare gooseberry juice for 5 persons. Let us see what are the ingredients required for preparing this juice. Gooseberry 3, water 1.5 liters, salt half teaspoon, honey 1 teaspoon. Take the washed gooseberries and cut them to pieces, removing the seeds. Add the pieces to a mixer jar by adding half glass of water and grind to a smooth paste. Now take a vessel and filter the juice by thoroughly pressing the gooseberry pulp. After filtering is over, keep the pulp aside. Add the remaining water and mix the juice. Now you can drink the gooseberry juice adding half teaspoon of salt, or you can even mix 1 teaspoon of honey and drink it. Now the healthy, tasty gooseberry juice is ready. Now we are going to prepare gooseberry raita. Let us see what are the ingredients required. Thick curd 2 cups, gooseberry pulp 2 tablespoons, cucumber half, ginger 1 piece, coconut pieces few, green chilies 2, salt 1 teaspoon. Take the curd in a vessel and keep it aside. Cut the cucumber into half, peel off the skin, remove the seeds and cut into small pieces. Take a mixer jar, add the pulp of the gooseberry, add the cucumber pieces, coconut pieces, ginger and green chilies. Now grind it to a smooth paste. Now add this paste to the curd. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Now in a pan heat 1 teaspoon of oil. For seasoning add mustard seeds, urad dal and curry leaves. Now add this to the raita. Garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves. Now yummy, healthy gooseberry raita is ready. Hope you have enjoyed watching our program. Like, comment and share our program. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get our video updates regularly. Thank you.